Carson, you dying because it's hot? Xander, you dying because it's hot?
Yeah.
Okay, we only got like 4 more hours or so.
Only 4 more hours?
I don't know.
I say 6.
That's like 3.
There you go.
Yeah, we get
What time is it? That way, Carson.
2 something. Anyway,
Oh shit.
so we got
that green bucket and set it by the orange bucket.
got the radiator here that Gary at Bob's spec'd out for Kyle. And then we got our fan resting on it. And it is a perfect match. I mean, Gary, you and I worked together on this. We talked about this. I told you, hey, that's the fan I'm going to run. Gary's like, I'll hook Kyle up. It's funny, he was already looking for stuff for Kyle. So we got that. We're going to trial fit the radiator itself in the truck right now. And then we're working on getting the fan situation handled. All right, so just setting the radiator in here. That doesn't look too bad. It's a little, that's going to be interesting. I'm a bit intrigued on how we're going to do this and get our fan to fit. I might have to trim that crossbar here or move it back. But it's looking good. Looking real good. You're gonna have to push it and hold it down. I've just kind of got everything set in there. I want to see if this is gonna close or if it's gonna hit or what. So go for it, Carson. Careful. Keep going. Go. 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 Okay. Yeah, it's close. It's really close. So, okay, I have like an inch there. I can move it forward. It's tight. It's gonna be tight, but I think we're gonna be able to do it.